In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your order history on Temu 2026 step by step. By the end, you'll know 3 practical paths: hiding past orders from your view, requesting data removal for privacy, and permanently deleting your account if you want a complete reset. Let's start with the quickest option, which is tidying up your order list inside the app. Open the Temu app on your phone, then tap You or Profile to get to your account area. Next, go to your orders. Find the order you want to clean up, tap the 3 dots next to it, and choose Archive or Hide if that's the label you see. This simply moves the order out of your main view so your list feels cleaner. Keep in mind, this does not delete the order from Temu servers, you're just hiding it from your everyday dashboard, and you can still access archived items later if needed. If you're aiming for stronger privacy controls rather than just a tidy screen, use Temu's privacy tools to request data removal. From your account, head to Account Settings or Privacy. Look for options labeled Download your data or Request deletion. Submit the request and follow the on-screen instructions to confirm your identity and what you want removed. This route is designed for privacy compliance and can remove certain data linked to your account. However, due to legal, tax, or warranty obligations, some records might be retained for a set period. Processing can take time, so plan ahead and consider saving any invoices you may need for returns, warranties, or reimbursement before you submit. If you want a complete clean slate, you can delete your entire Temu account. This can remove your order history along with associated data, but it is permanent and affects everything, including addresses, payment methods, and your wish list. To proceed, open the Temu app, go to You, then Settings, select Account Management, and choose Delete Account. Follow the prompts to confirm your identity and finalize. Before you do this, make sure all orders are delivered, returns are finished, and refunds have cleared. It's also smart to save any records you might need for future reference. After deletion, your orders are removed from your account and personal data is deleted, though the service may keep anonymized logs or records required by law. To recap, archive or hide orders to keep your view clean, submit a privacy request if you want certain data removed, or delete your account if you're ready to start fresh. Choose the option that matches your goal, and take a moment to back up any info you might need later.